Pickleball has become such a popular sport, and I can definitely see why. It is such a fun sport to get into. I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to show you this pickleball set that I got by Dulce. I love the paddles. They are space seam, different colors, so you can have clear different teams. I love the paddle shape. It is almost like a rounded rectangle, and it just does such a good job making contact with the ball and having good control. You can see we are not professionals. This is just something we're wanting to get into to get good exercise and to have fun with friends. And that's exactly what this set let us do. We truly had a great time. I liked that it had the 4 paddles because I feel pickleball is much better in teams of 2, which really just accentuates the fun and ability to move around but not strain or hurt yourself. It came with 4 wiffle balls, 2 green and 2 yellow. And they are tough balls. We definitely gave them quite a beating, and they are so resilient, just kept on going. They were so well made. This set is perfect for beginners. It's good for kids, older ones, even anyone that's recovering from an injury. That's what's so great about pickleball. These paddles are not only beautiful, but worked so well. If you like playing pickleball or want to get into it, I highly recommend this set. They are not only beautiful, but so much fun. And that's my point of view.